Alright, it's FoamyDM. I have built the Spitfire out of a kit. Went together super well. I'd like to thank Kilroy 0.7 who helped me out with a laser cut stuff. So thanks again. And let's just make sure I get this set. Okay, now we're in focus. And alright. Should be good to go. I wish I had a neck strap. Okay. Looks like we got it. Okay. Let me trim it out. Okay, it looks good. Bring it to low rates. Oh man, this flies so nice. On low rates, this is like almost no throttle. It's just creeping along the sky. This is a 1300 4S battery, and it flies beautifully. If you can see, it's probably coming at you, so. Okay, I am not equipped to do knife edges as a pilot. So, holy crud. So if I'm over 50% throttle, this thing kicks on a 4S. You see, I'm going to bring it in right over top of this. Coming in low and slow. There you go. That was for everybody here. Everybody knows you should not be flying past the flight line, but there's nobody in the flight line. Oh my God, this is such a beautiful flyer. Holy cow! I'm just gliding it like I don't have a care, because I don't. Oh my God, it's so amazing. Okay, try to bring it back in frame for you. Okay, we're at the end of the day. I had to repair my lawnmower, and that took forever. But I got it fixed, which was nice. Better than spending a bunch of money on a new one. So look at this, coming at you. Mm-hmm. It's wide open. Okay, I'm going to land it. And gorgeous. Amazing maiden flight. Love it. You should build one too. FT Spitfire. Traditional version. The Master Series will be coming.